Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Please, if you're new here, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share for your friends. Thank you. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your personal hotspot. If it's not working, just check mine. If it is faded like this, you see, it cannot be turned on because it is faded. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem in iPhone 5s, any version of the phone that you're using. You can fix it. So let's get to it. First, open settings. So just go and find settings, tap on it, go to cellular. You'll see here it's still personal hotspot is still loading and it's not coming. We can't do anything about it. I'm going to show how to fix it. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Go to cellular data on network, which is this one. Just tap on it, and here what you're going to do here is that depending on the carrier that you are using, I'm using Vodafone, so depending on the carrier that you are using, you are going to tap the name here. So on the cellular data, the APN, mine, because I'm using Vodafone, my own is Vodafone internet, so I'll tap it. Vodafone internet. Then I also come to the username, the same thing, Vodafone internet. And when you are done, just scroll down so you'll find personal hotspot. Here is it, personal hotspot. So also tap it here, Vodafone internet. Also username. Don't worry about the password. You don't have to enter any password. So just skip that part. Vodafone internet. Then when you're done, just go back, come to airplane mode. Just turn it off one. Wait for it to show on the top that it has been turned off. Then turn it on again. Turn it on and turn it off. Do that for 2 times, and boom. Let's go and check it. So here, oh, you can see it's now back and it's working perfectly. It's working. So let's check it here to see personal hotspot. Oh yeah, it's working. Please, if you really find this video helpful, I would like you to share, subscribe, and also comment if anything for in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.